Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our new 2023 Coachmen Leprechaun, and this is the 230FS Class C motorhome. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Okay, starting up front, the cab area is optioned with the painted front, so that tan matches the sidewalls as well. You do have electric awning with built-in LED light. I know it's kind of hard to see, but that's up there. Outside shower on this side as well. Then you also have a exterior ladder on the back along with a built-in backup camera. All your water connections are back here. One slide out on the 230FS. That slide does have an awning topper. Head inside. Your battery disconnect is right down below there. You've got some master light switches right to the left-hand side of the door, along with your main control panel. You've got the cab over bunk up top, flat screen TV on a swivel arm, fantastic fan up above. Kitchen area with a nice big sink, 3-burner, microwave with storage up above. U-shaped booth dinette with built-in seat belts, nice big window, 12-volt 10 cubic foot refrigerator, roof mount air conditioner as well, bed in the back corner with storage up above. There's also another fantastic fan back here, and then you've got a nice wardrobe for storage with some built-in shelves. And bathroom has built-in sink, storage down below, a mirror and a medicine cabinet. Nice big shower with a skylight and a fan. This is built on the Ford chassis. Screen in the middle there. 3 cup holders. You do have some USB ports up here and HDMI as well. Do one more walk around of the floor plan. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2023 Coachmen Leprechaun 230FS Class C motorhome, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.